I've given you some tips with strategies for success to get a proposal that will be a winning proposal. And many other opportunities are out there. And I really want to talk about some of these other opportunities. And I can use us as an example, us meaning the MBL. Other than non-federal funding, there are also foundations and there are state sources. There may even be local sources. I really urge that you expand your horizons beyond federal resources. You may not be able to get the full amount of what you want, but I think there needs to be a lot of creativity in thinking and seeking. So there are some foundations that Chan Zuckerberg CZI Institute right now is very interested in imaging, for example, and it's worth exploring those foundations. I urge you to go at your institution to your development office, your development probably somewhere in your upper administration, to consult and ask, do you know of foundations that would support this instrumentation that we want to build up? Another is state sources. So this is the path I want to tell you about, because we at MBL we focus heavily on light and electron microscopy. We don't go as far as cryo here. We rely on collaboration for cryo, but we are very interested in the Helios 5 Hydra PFib SEM, which allows us to take classical transmission electron microscopy to a new level, of 3D kind of EM analysis. And so we were able to contact our state. Well, the Massachusetts Life Sciences Center has opportunities for building instrumentation, multi-user instrumentation that goes beyond the institution and expands to the whole state. And so we applied for that and received it, and were able to purchase 2 instruments, actually. So the states are all variable. And I can't speak for any other states. Massachusetts is very supportive of science, and you need to really find in your state where your science support is. And I guarantee you will find some path to support, even through corporate collaboration. But the bottom line I can say here is that it's the same process of preparation, planning, reviewing, and writing of what I just described. So we wrote a proposal to the MLSC, received the instrument, and then it's a whole team. So this was a team of people. This was the first image we got off the PFib SEM after we were able to, the Hydra, after we were able to get it installed and functioning.